Hey guys, I want to show you, this is paint on my Toyota Tundra, and really I thought it was kind of jacked up, and I thought really I'm going to have to paint this thing. However, I found a product for about 20 bucks that with very little effort can take that crappy looking paint and make it look like this, and I'm going to show you right now. This is the Mother's Speed Clay 2.0, and that's what it looks like. It's kind of a plasticky, rubbery feel. This feels kind of rubbery almost, but you'll see that it's got a bunch of nipples on it. And it says that you can use it up to onto 20 vehicles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how easy this works. I had originally bought this because I wanted to clay bar the windshield on both of our vehicles so that I could put some Rain-X on there and whatnot. And I have clay barred vehicles in the past. I wanted to see how well this worked, and I'll tell you what, I've been through the car wash multiple times with this thing and it never comes out looking any better than this. However, you're going to be amazed. Just this little $20 clay bar alternative. You got to keep it wet, guys. So you got to keep it wet. So I've got some soapy water. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I'm not being sponsored by them. I went and spent the 20 bucks. When I was up there, I was looking at clay bars, and they've got like a clay bar kit. I think McGuire's has one. It's like 2 clay bars for 20 bucks. And I'm like, if you've ever used a clay bar, you know that they're effective, but they're only going to last for so long. So I'm going to go ahead and pour a little bit of this out so you can see the difference. And that's really about as much of the video as I'm going to do right now. But that is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of the truck, hopefully this evening. See how dingy and dirty the roof is. Take you around here and show you just how crappy this thing looks. This truck used to sit at a steel mill, and there was a lot of lime dust in the air, so I think there's a lot of lime on there, and it's just a lot of dirt and debris, and it's just kind of like been baked, just set into the paint. So if you've got a paint job that looks like that, have no fear. Try 20 bucks. See if you can bring it back. Throw a little bit of wax on it afterwards, and you might just be really happy. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of this, and I'll show you what she looks like when I'm done. Okay, well, I'm far from being finished, but I am going to start losing daylight here, so just wanted to show you how it's coming along. Now, I haven't finished the roof yet, but you can see how bad it is. Hopefully you can see how nice it's looking over on that side. But see if I can get up here without falling. I got it wet. See, that's not coming off. Now if I take my fingernail and scratch on it, you can get a little bit of it off, but who wants to do that? So I'd say this thing works pretty damn good. It's going to take me a little while to get her done, but next video I do, I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of stuff to this truck over the weekend, and I think I'm gonna lift up the front end a couple inches. I've got a light bar that we're building. Friend Nick and I are building a light bar. So I've got some new taillights to put in. I've got all kinds of LED lights to put on, and I even got a hood scoop to put on it this weekend. So I wanted to make sure especially that I got the hood all nice and cleaned up. But man, that's a humongous difference. So like I said, I'll keep this really short. You guys have a great night, and be watching for the next videos, because this thing's about ready to go through a big transformation, and it's not going to look the same. So I have not gotten over here to this side yet, gotten any of that. Like I said, you can see how bad it is there, and hopefully you can see the nice contrast. So I'm going to get back to work and see what I can get done before I lose daylight. Have yourselves a great night. Like, share, subscribe. See ya.